Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Tina once again. And Tina is speaking about Ashanti 360. She's also speaking about Donna. And she's saying that basically that 360 has Donna adopted the pattern from 360. You know what 360 used to do. And that's the reason why basically they were having the feud because 360 believed that, Donna came along and took his position and took his followers. Now, she's also speaking about the event that took place, allegedly, that he had boxed this lady that he was trying to help, and that he had sent his private parts to her and requested for her to send him pictures of herself nude as well. Guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video because what's here and what Tina and her follower is talking about is very interesting. You would need to go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, today it's your birthday. Party like it's your birthday. Yes, have fun today. And remember that I'm wishing you the best in prosperity throughout this year and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my subscribers, my friends, it's Easter. Enjoy your Easter break, yes? And live life like you want to. Remember, we only have one. We have to live it the way we want to. Have yourselves now a beautiful day.
Yes.
He helped them, but he tried to sleep with them.
Oh, so he's a predator.
But he likes to pick up anything that's going on in the media. That's what he usually do. Just get a hold of it. Just like what 99 do. I think 99 kind of pattern some of the film thing,
Oh, really?
99 kind of patterns a lot of his thing. You understand? Because the people them give him money. 99 really do pattern his thing. Oh. That's why him come out and come off on 99 so bad.
Wait.
Because 99 are following him.
Wait a minute here. So you're saying that, I remember, is it the woman who was stabbed like 25 times or something like that really bad and she ended up losing her life? Is that same woman you're talking about?
I don't know how much time she was stabbed, but I remember that she was stabbed to death.
Oh, she was stabbed to death. Okay. Well, so you're saying that right when after he was doing that, 99, Donna was sitting down and watching his pattern.
Donna go get everything off him. Everything where he asks his people and the people them send the money. The people them send the money to him. You understand? Everything we see Donna go doing, that's what he used to do. And he used to make a lot of money. So let me tell you what really happened.
Okay.
These people started to go to Donna program. And that's what pisses him off.
Oh, so you're saying that the whole time when he was doing this whole charity
doing
thing.
This stuff. Yes.
Okay. They were oh my God, interesting.
The pandemic came in and his people started to go over by Donna and they used to, give Donna money. So then when he look over there and sees people over there, he get pissed. And that's when he started on her.
Oh, okay. I reconnected on YouTube, guys. I was having a little bit of technical issues on YouTube with data, but I reconnected. So if you want to go back over on YouTube and listen, you could go back over on YouTube and listen. I had to refresh the live, okay? I had to refresh the live. If you want to go back over to YouTube and listen, you can. All right, but it's Wi-Fi and all of that. Look like my Wi-Fi is going in and out. But yeah, go ahead, caller. Can you repeat what you just said a while ago?
Yeah, as I say, Donna, 99, really patterned 360. Because everything that 360 used to do, that's what Donna is doing. You understand? Come out and beg. Because he had a lot of people, a lot of people used to be over on his life. And a lot of people, because he was like the only one really doing it like that. Marcia used to do it, but Marcia never do it the way he was doing it. Marcia used to, do our school thing and stuff like that, but he was really doing it where he got a lot, because there was a lot of female over there. He got a lot of money.
Oh.
He used to get a lot of money from them. So after all of that going on and stuff, 99 came out and started doing her charity. Then his people started to go to 99. And from that, then all hell break loose. He just become crazy.
Oh. So that's why he was like writing her for all these months and months.
Exactly. Because what he was trying to do is to get back his people to come back to him. But what the difference that he was doing, Donna was doing from him, Donna was saying that she...
Caller? We lost our caller there. We lost our caller.
Understand?
Go ahead. Repeat what you said about the difference. Yeah, talk about the difference now. Yeah.
The difference was she was showing the money and he wasn't showing the money given out to the people.
Okay.
Him just telling them, say, I give this person this and I give that. But he never really shows it. But the difference between him and Donna is that Donna was showing it, so Donna used that and beat him.
Oh.
You understand? So his people then decide to stick with Donna.
Oh.
Because he was trying to get back his 360 family and it just never worked out. Because him start because Donna becomes so famous, so known, that everybody started to go over there because, pandemic, it bop, and everybody what's going on down there.
And money did I run that time there?
Yeah, money did I run and she made it festive.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So, right there, she stepped right in her shoes.
No wonder why. Oh my God. You see, like these things, like I could never, I was like, how, you connected the dot, caller, because I never figured out, because he's not somebody that I used to follow back then, like a lot. He just kind of popped.
I used to follow him. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Boy, you never see smoke without fire, because me, I say, what's the connection between them both? They have a connection that I really don't know what that connection was.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That was it. And because of all that she took over his people, and from there it's like crazy. He just went crazy off the rail and, just start going bad. Because he never used to behave like that. He never used to behave like that.
Yeah, because there's a page on social media. There's a page on Facebook where I went all the way back because they hacked a couple of his pages, And I went all the way back on one of these pages and I saw old videos of him, doing this whole collecting of money thing. And then it got to a point where he just switched and started cursing her out. But I couldn't see why there was a connection there. I didn't understand why. But now it makes complete sense. It was all about... Go ahead.
Yeah, she took it. She took his people. She took his people, and he couldn't regain back those people. He just couldn't get back those people. You understand? He couldn't get back those people, and then it just become crazy from there. Because he never used to dip upon a woman and all of that. It was like the cha-cha boy. Because them they just, it was like the cha-cha boy. Them they just love him. You understand? And him mouth sweet,
Yes.
And then any little thing, him always say, oh, let me help this person, let me help that person. And him going around and help, but he never shows, him never really, count it out and show. So she kind of beat him there, so but him always collect the money same way. You understand? Yeah.
Do you remember any other situations besides Lion's daughter that you could probably share with us? Because, like I said, I wasn't really following him. And I know him as a sexual predator, but what about anything else? Like, what else do you remember? Do you remember like a case that stuck out to you that you probably want to share with the public? Just out of curiosity.
Not right off top, because it kind of comes back to me. Because even when you start to talk a while ago, I said to a friend of mine. Do you know that he hit that girl before you even start? Before you even start with the video, that's my friend right here turned to me and said, call and let them know. And I said, no, I ain't even gonna call Tina. And I said to her, I said, watch and see. Tina going to tell you, you're going to hear how he boxed that girl. And he boxed her with the baby in her hand.
What?
Yes, when he hit her, she had the baby in her hand. That is not the only video she did, you know.
I know.
She did another video also.
There's another video that
Yeah,
oh.
because this is the one. This video is the video when the other people them came and to help her. Some church people came to help her.
Oh,
You understand?
So
this is where some church people come to help her.
Oh,
You understand?
Boy, oh boy, you never see smoke without fire. This is why the way I'm used to dress, I noticed a big difference with him. First, when he started out, he was dressing one way, and then as he started cursing, Donna Gao, you know, his whole, you know, appearance just changed. He just started looking
because you know the ladies them even used to buy him stuff, buy him things, and all of that. Anything him want, him used to come online and ask for.
Oh, him used to get a lot of things from
some grown woman. You see all that? Hello?
Go ahead, caller. You're chipping in and out, but go ahead.
Hello?
Go ahead, caller.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Okay. You see all that lady that just write up all that mess there? These are crazy people, you know, Tina. These are people that maybe been molested and stuff like that, and, you know, just say, well, it is what it is.
Yeah, them just live with it.
You understand? They don't care. They look at it as, oh, you shouldn't hold there, and you give to him. You understand? Always blaming the victim. These are victim blamers.
This is so disturbing, caller. So disturbing. And these are the people that Donna Gao and others are embracing. These people who go around physically abusing, assaulting people and blackmailing them, using, you know, going in their phones, taking out their pictures and exposing it to the public. These are the people that wow, this is just so sickening. Really sickening, caller. Very sickening.
But you know what? Even you see that girl that had that baby for him, that disabled girl that had that baby for him.
Yes.
I remember one time he was supposed to go over is Halmanton? Where the town name? Right town Halmanton, one of them town where the girl lived.
Okay, go ahead.
And when he went over there and they found out that that's when the girl got pregnant. When the girl got pregnant, she did not tell that it was him, you know.
Oh my God.
She could not, hello?
Yeah, go ahead,
She could not talk, it was him.
The disabled girl that he impregnated in Franklintown? Franklintown.
Yeah, in Franklintown, yeah. She could not talk that it was him, you know. She didn't tell at first.
Jesus.
You understand? Because he was helping them.
Jesus, this is just crazy.
It's a family that he was helping. So this is a pattern.
Jesus Christ, this is so sickening. This is so sickening how he preys on these people. Like he finds them, goes to Jamaica, inserts himself in the family by using this whole pretense of him wanting to help, and then he goes to work. This is crazy.
You see, even after the girl get pregnant, one of the time him couldn't go back then and at all, you know, because them said they was gonna kill him.
What?
Yes, he could not go back there one at a time, because when the neighbors them found out that he was the one, they were like, him can't come back here.
Oh my God! So he preyed on this disabled girl, slept with her, impregnated her.
I think he was helping the mother or somebody from in the same yard, but he used to visit that yard a lot. You understand? He used to visit the yard a lot.
Oh my God. The girl's name is Sonia, they said. They said the girl's name is Sonia, the disabled girl.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
This is
It's
just
crazy. And this is the man all these women are following. It is so friggin' crazy. It is so crazy when I see all these people behind him. I'm like, what's going on? You understand?
they've lost their minds.
And all these female following him.
That's crazy.
So I don't know if these are new set, because all the old set them
Gone.
who not gone to 99 just stop following.
Yeah.
Especially when that pregnancy came out,
Yeah.
it was like no.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember when he had this girl had came out and said our father had molested her when it was a lie. When it was our mother put her up to say that that interview with 360. 360 and the man was good friend too, you know. The man used to all help 360 used to pick up money for 360 too, you know.
Oh, I remember. I vaguely remember that story, but I didn't know how it went. But I vaguely remember.
You understand? Yeah.
Oh my God. This is crazy.
Yep. But the thing is, the man separate himself from 360 after he found out that him start sleep with the recipient them.
Jesus.
You understand? And people that used to give them money, that guy cut off all that connection, that money connection that he used to, help out with 360.
Oh my God, this is crazy. So he's been prowling about, sleeping with victims, sleeping with recipients.
He's been sleeping with the recipient them for a long time. And that guy had cut off all communication with him. And because of that, he had lost a lot of his donors and stuff. Because he used to get big donors too, you know.
Yes.
But because what he did was put himself with the big people them.
Yeah, the mature people that will have money, just like 99.
And the thing is, him did have a good kind of go on for real, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
And did have a good con going on. But even during that time, you never used to see him in our house. He was always in his car. Them time the only time I see him in our bed was when it was him and Lion. In our bed.
That's just crazy.
And them time them used to go to Jamaica very often.
A lot.
Very, very often.
Yeah, he was going to Jamaica a lot.
A lot.
I found the other interview. I found the other interview caller. I found it. Trending Drama has the other interview on his page. I was able to locate the interview. So I am going to replay it. I'm going to replay the interview with Daniela. The church people came down from New York to help Daniela. So I have other interviews of her. That's the same lady he hit in her face with the baby.
In her face.
Yeah, with the baby.
I tell you, I used to watch him. I used to watch him. And I tell you, go crazy when 99 take over and people.
Oh my God.
Why you think he start cuss 99?
Oh.
People just get up and just curse people just so you know. It have to be a reason.
Oh.
And I doubt if 99 didn't even know that was the reason.
Oh.
I doubt if 99 even know that was the reason why she was getting cursed out.
Because most of his followers that were giving him money started giving it to Donna.
Exactly. She took his followers.
So she's possibly, it's safe to assume that she probably sat and watched him doing what he was doing.
He was doing and
scamming the people, and she just kind of said, you know what, you knowing how she is, she likes to copy, she never has her own ideas, right? So she
put her little edge to it.
She decided to copy what he was doing and just put her little edge to it and say, here what, we're gonna see if we're gonna show the money, but here what, this is what we are gonna do. You understand? So it was all a plot. So, oh wow, and I had no idea of the connection at all. Okay, caller, thank you very much. Thank you for sharing that bit. If you remember anything, you're free to call back. But thank you. Oh my God.
All right.
Thank you,
All
caller.
right. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, caller.
Like up the live.
Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. Thanks for calling, caller. Wow. This is no laughing matter, by the way. This is a very serious live. Right? It's a very serious live. But I am so happy that people are sharing their memories with me because I am only one person. And like I said, I was not following Ashanti 360 at the time. I didn't know anything about him until he pretty much started. Yeah, I don't know who told him to target me. I don't know what it is. But over the years, his whole image, his whole appearance changed because he was broke, you know. And he used this charity thing as a scam, just like his friend in Jamaica. And as you heard, he went down to Jamaica, impregnated a disabled girl, the daughter of one of his victims that he was helping. And this is what he does. He befriends people, befriends older women. And the minute he finds out that you have an adult daughter or somebody who is grown enough to, you know what, he then attaches himself to that victim and goes to work. Similarly to how he attached himself to, yes, the caller did well. Similarly to him attaching himself to that little young girl and impregnated a disabled girl to the point where they wanted to unalive